In this video, we're gonna go through a quick tutorial of SUSH app, which are virtual pets app. It starts to grow in a charts, and it's super interesting app. So yeah, for some reason it's so there you have it. So this is the app. You can grow virtual pets here. So what you do, you just create your account, you just log in, and then you reserve your username. You can upload your avatar you can just sync with Snapchat, and then basically there you have it. So this is your account, but you need a friend to raise your first SUSH. So if you type in top right, you can raise multiple pets together, and then you can see which pets are available where. And currently this is the SUSH here. You can see some description, and then basically this is how it looks like. But yeah, you need to get a friend, so feel free to add me sush.app/Andrei. I'm just doing like a first tutorial, super interesting app. But yeah, you can also just share it on Snapchat or whatever. So try to do that. Then in top left there is your profile. You can change your username. You can change your heart color. You can add SUSH widget. So yeah, you can just add it on the home screen. Just add home screen widget, and then just follow your virtual pets like this. So as you can see, you can add widget. So yeah, that's basically the idea. If you want, you can delete the account. You can delete your account in SUSH app. But yeah, that's basically the idea, that you're just growing these virtual pets. Similar as maybe you heard the concept of Tamagotchi. That was like the viral device very long time ago, maybe in 90s or early 2000s, where before proper mobile phones, you could just go with like virtual device and grow a Tamagotchi. New way to share time with your friends. Invite your friends to raise a mini pet. Give love to your pets to help them grow. Keep the streak to see your pet evolve. Customize your pet environment. Collect coins, buy accessories, win wallpapers. Play mini games with your SUSH pet. So yeah, something like that. It's growing in the charts in social networking. Super interesting app. Here you can see you can create interesting pets with your friends. So something like that. Hope this is helpful.